is a mathematical tool used to analyze and interpret data collected for scientific study. It could also be defined as science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, or presenting quantitative data. For me, here it works too. When you understand what tool is, how many of us, okay, for example, do I give us an example? How many of us have been to repair his phone? Anybody here? Hello? Please, because of network, if you can hear me, indicate that you can hear, so that this lecture can flow. So that I know I'm not talking to myself. Hello? Hello? Class?
Yes, sir, we're hearing you, sir. It's getting
Good.
better. Initially, it was not, it was bad.
Exactly.
It's getting better now.
Is it getting better now?
Yes, sir.
Network. So when you go to repair your phone or generator, you see the mechanic or generator repairer or phone repairer with different tools they use in their work. So also for us in social work, statistics is seen as a tool we use in our data analysis. That clear up to this point. It also be seen as tool we use in collecting our data, organizing it, and interpreting it. And a key factor for me as a tool is when you understand that something is a tool, the important focus for you is to understand how to use it for your maximum good. You follow what I'm saying? So having defined what statistics is, the next thing is to
I'm not hearing you again, sir. The network is bad.
can you hear me?
No, sir.
We're not hearing you before now.
Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, we can see the screen.
Good. The next thing is importance of statistics. Why is it important to us in social work to understand what statistics is all about? It's important because of the following reasons. We need it in collecting, analyzing, organizing, interpreting, and presenting quantitative data. First of all, in collecting, the use of statistics helps us, first of all, to determine our sample size, quantitatively speaking, and to organize how the data will look like, to screen it, make sure that there are consistencies all through the questionnaire collected, and help us to analyze and interpret and present our results. As we go further in this course, we'll begin to see fully how these importance are shown in the research process. Please, at any point you don't hear what I'm saying, indicate. The next one, the next on the introduction is types of statistics. Broadly speaking,
No audio, sir. No audio, sir. We are not hearing you.
can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are hearing you now. And the
Yes.
screen is
Broadly,
there, yes.
sir,
Go on, sir. We are hearing you now.
can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Good. So broadly speaking, statistics can be grouped into two: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics, this type of mainly summarizes and describe the main features of a data clear and understandable way. For example, let's say in a class of 1,000 students, statistics helps us to summarize the data clearly. First of all, if in a class of 1,000 students and you decide to collect their names and maybe the secondary school they attended, statistics will help us summarize it clearly, like we say 50% of these students attended private secondary school. 25 attended missionary secondary school, and the rest attended community secondary school. When you use a simple statistics like percentages to summarize a given data, it makes it very clear and understandable. You follow what I'm saying? Hello.
Hello, sir.
So the descriptive statistics can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I'm only hearing only one voice. Others. This is Adejoke Akini. Is it only her? What of the other two? Can you hear me or see my screen? Class.
Yes, sir. We can hear you and we can see the screen. Thank you, sir.
So the descriptive statistics can also be classified into some groups. There are ones called measures of central tendency that fall into these measures of central tendency. They are used to describe how centered a data set is. And the tests in these measures of central tendency includes the mean, the median, and the mode. I know you've heard all these things. Just to refresh your memory, so I can dive in deeper into the main issue. So this is the mean. This is simply referred to as the arithmetic average. It is the most commonly used measures of the center, or measures of central tendency. The next one is the median. This is the middle value when data is ordered. When data is ordered here, to get the mean, you have to arrange your data in either ascending or descending order. When data is arranged in that manner, the median is the one at the middle value. The next one is the mode. The mode is the number that occurs most frequently in any given data. And the second group of descriptive data is what we call the measures of dispersion or variability. This group of statistical tests measure or describes how spread apart or dispersed the data is from the center. And they include the range. The range describes the difference between the highest and lowest values in a data set. And the next one is the variance. This provides a statistical average of the amount of dispersion or variability in a distribution of scores. The variance and the standard deviation also show the same measure of variability. That is how individual points deviate from the center. As I will make these things we are saying is there. At this point, we will not go into the depth of calculating it. Rather, we'll focus on what they are and how to use it and report it in our work. Because at this level of tutorial work, nobody is expecting you to go and begin to calculate. So for those of us who are figurophobia, nobody will go to the extreme of saying, let's calculate it, cram the formula. I know once we hear statistics, that's where our mind usually goes. But that's not it for this one. We'll use a computer-based package that will make things easier. So the next one is so we've discussed the range, the variance, and standard deviation as measures of dispersion or variability. And the next one, another type of statistics is differential statistics. This type of statistics is used to draw conclusions and make predictions or inferences about the data collected. They are mostly used in hypothesis testing. Examples are correlation, regression, and so many others. So, like I promise you, not the user statistics class. Hello, can you hear me? It's showing internet unstable. Can you hear me?
Yes, I will hear you.
So is not going to be maybe the statistics you are used to that makes us in social science so afraid and scared when we hear statistics. This one will introduce the basics, what it means, we'll focus how to use it, and how to report it in our work. So far, any question, any query? Class? Any clarification?
Since we are getting it for now.
We are getting it for now. That's Adejoke, are you speaking for others? Adenuba, are you with us?
I'm with you, sir.
Thank you,
I'm
ma'am.
processing it. The network is disturbing.
Yes. At least I'll share the slides today so that those who don't have who could not hear clearly can see the slide. The other person that is showing Techno KM4K. Please, what's your name if you can hear us? Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Yes. If you can hear me, this is where we'll end it for today. We'll be taking it bit by bit. And I will encourage you to get a package we call SPSS. That is the statistical package for the social sciences. Get it installed in your laptop. We'll be doing practicals. We also to be doing practicals will enable you be able, if you can't do that, that will help you on that to come to the end of this class. When can we fix another class within the week to cover up for the missed class of last week? Class? Hello?
Yes,
With
sir.
you, sir.
Can you hear me? I asked a question if you're with me.
Unless it will be in the evening because of people going to work.
Okay, it can be in the evening. Around what time? Which day?
Which day?
I think will Thursday be okay, sir?
Thursday?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
Thursday will be
let's
okay.
look at Wednesday. I think Wednesday will be better,
Wednesday?
sir. Yes, sir.
Don't you have those who go for midweek service here?
I think our own used to be Tuesday, Thursdays. You know.
Okay. So who is
That's
this
have-
person that daring Techno?
I have a program on Wednesday, but evening.
okay.
Fine
Can we make it Friday then?
No, evening is fine by me. My program
Good.
for evening.
Evening around what
Okay,
time?
so
Anything from 7, sir.
Okay.
If that is okay by other people, anyways.
well, I'm okay with this.
All right.
The next person is not talking. Does it mean you're not online or what, my dear?
Well, I wouldn't know.
Please, do you know this next person? He's showing us Techno here, or her name or his name, Techno.
Who could that be?
That's what is showing it too.
Okay.
It's all right. Thank you and thank you very much. I will implore you, try and install SPSS in your system, please.
Okay, sir.
Please, sir,
Thank
can you come again with that? The full name?
SPSS.
SPSS, Statistical Package for the Social Sciences.
Yes, all right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. In absence of any question, any query, any clarification, see you which day do we agree? Thursday or Friday?
Wednesday.
Adeduba, which day do we agree?
Wednesday, sir. Wednesday.
7 p.m.
Okay, Wednesday, 7 p.m. Thank you.
7 p.m. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir. Have a nice week, sir.
Hi, Juma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ó ga. Mo ti pè yín.
No,